So many amazing signs in nature today. A few dragonflies, of course. But then I'll attach the video where I was kind of stalking this blue heron. Blue heron is symbolic of patience, of good luck. And then while I was stalking him, while he was stalking his food, I gave up and went to the other side of the water, which he met me on the other side. And I just happened to flip on my camera and got to record him catching his fish. Fish are signs of new starts, rebirth, fertility, and to see this heron catch his prey it was brutal for me to watch, but it was a really good omen. And while I was stalking him beforehand, the parakeet that started chatting in the background, I'll show you all of that. They are also a really good omen, really good sign. Then I moved to the dock, and 10 ducks flew up and landed in the water. They separated into fives. You know, fives are about change, something transforming, but 10 together suggests the end of a cycle. So I feel like something is shifting in a major way, but it's a positive shift. The end of a cycle and the beginning of like a new, abundant, positive time. I hope that's for me. I'm definitely going to take and accept it. But if you watch this video, or you were guided to watch this video, maybe it's for you too. Have an amazing day. Check out the footage. I love to watch them look for food. He just moved. But they move their legs and feet so slowly, so quietly. It's like, what am I witnessing? I knew once I turned this camera on, he was going to stand so still. There he goes. It's pretty awesome. Wouldn't it be great for him to take off right now? I think I'm going to just keep recording in case he does. Because he doesn't look that big in this video. But dude's like almost 3 feet, probably closer to 3 feet tall. That's pretty cool. That wingspan is magnificent. Come on, guy. Take off. The water's pretty shallow today, even though we had a little bit of rain over the past couple days. He's not moving. At the length of his beak. Let's see if I can get closer. They tend to be super territorial. If another one of his kind came over here, he would either run it off or leave. Yeah. Where you going, buddy? Trying to catch you take off. Look at that. Magnificent. See how slowly he moves. I really want y'all to see that wingspan though. That's why I'm still watching him. It's like, is this heifer following me? Yes, I am. It's not leaving. Let's see. Look how big. See how the water's dried up? This is all supposed to be underwater where the duckies are sitting, right here. Ducks are like, I'm out. They don't want to go out in that sun. Isn't that interesting? That's a conversation for another day. So we're just gonna give big boys some room. They didn't go too far. If you look in this video above this heron, I think it's a heron's head, there's like a little spot in the water. That's a turtle. It went down when I said that. Interesting. You can see it if you go back a little ways. Look, there's one right there to his left. You can see his head come up out of the water. Fun fact, the white ducks and like a whole little crew like that are usually like the protectors. For me, the universities use the white ducks as a symbol of either needing to protect yourself from something or someone, or confirmation of protection. But if they were all like sleeping on the side here, the white ducks would be the ones that are awake and kind of looking out. So while they're asleep, if I get too close, the white duck is the one that'll start screaming like, everybody wake up, we gotta go. It's pretty neat to watch. Dang, it's 3 turtles over here. They're probably thinking that's where the food is. But obviously it's not, because you see that turtle coming up? By the duckies? I knew it was going to be nice and active out here today. Just what I needed. God is awesome. Y'all, that noise you hear, too, they look like parrots or parakeets. Green as this tree. This heron, he kind of took off, like his wings stretched a little bit to go like 9 feet. But I was distracted by the parrots and I missed my video. Let me show you what these guys look like. If you can see them. I don't think you can see them very clearly. No, you can't see them very clearly. But they look kind of tropical. They're green. Also, parrots, parakeets, fantastic abundance omen. Fantastic omen, period. And loud. And it's only 2, I think. So I don't know. I'm stalking this guy. I just want the wingspan. Animals are so sensitive, guys, to movement, to vibration. It's pretty cool. Of course, I also have a white today, so they can see me pretty clearly. But come on, guy. I don't have it in me. I give up. Patience is not the strong suit of the Leo. Maybe I'll catch him on the other side of the water. I hope you guys are having a great day. Look, and this guy's over here now. On the other side. I'd like to say he's having a slow day, but he's probably not. Like, this is kind of normal. I've definitely seen him catch crayfish and crawfish. He caught something. Oh, he caught it on camera. Dragonflies right to his left. He caught a little fish, guys. You got to see it. Look at those 3 ducks flying in. Threes are about creative energy, manifestation. What reality are you trying to create? Of course. Heron created his reality. Was patient. Oh my God. I don't want this on camera. Oh, he just took it down the gullet. That's the only part of nature I hate. But circle of life, right? Can y'all see the turtles lined up on this little ridge? It's 12 of them. Look, look, look. I told you, they're so sensitive. They said danger is coming. Those down there, yeah, I'm not close enough. They're not tripping on me. Just wanted to show you guys the ducks that slid in while I was sitting on the dock. Guys, it was so much fun doing this recording today and just being out there. Nature's always speaking. Pay attention to what you hear, right? Have a great day.